king once stood before an army, and against all odds, he fought to the death. The code of honor that humanity once lived by is now a shadow. Leaders are made from something they have deep inside, a desire, a vision. They must have the courage to do what's necessary. They must have the skill and the will, but the will must be stronger than the skill. Who am I? I'm just a man with a vision, a man with a dream. What we do in this life will echo in eternity. Society is no longer a test of unity, instead it's a test of morals and values. My journey in this life has taken me to dark places where people lose who they truly are. My actions will dictate who I am. My words are just the voice of my soul. Nothing, nobody will get in my way. Through passion, I gain strength. Through strength, I gain power. Through power, I gain victory. Through victory, my chains are broken. Maybe one day, I can go to that part of the world where I can find everything that I truly want. But until that day, I'm gonna fight. I'm gonna fight every day like it's my last day. There's no holding me back anymore. Above and beyond.